Welcome to our tutorial on integrating the HI-LINK LD2412 motion and presence sensor with ESPHome. Today, we'll walk you through the essential configuration options, types of data you can collect, and some best practices for calibration and usage. First, let's get to know the LD2412. This cutting-edge sensor detects both motion and presence and integrates seamlessly with ESPHome, making it ideal for smart home automation. For the LD2412 to work correctly, your UART settings should be set to no parity and one-stop bit. And we strongly recommend using a hardware UART for the default 115200 baud rate. Setup is simple. In your ESPHome YAML configuration, add the LD2412 component. If you have multiple UARTs or multiple sensors, you can specify unique IDs for easy management. With the LD2412, you can track a variety of states and measurements. Binary sensors instantly determine if presence, motion, or a still target is detected. Numeric sensors measure distances, energy values, and more. You can also access granular movement and energy stats for up to 14 detection zones, known as gates. Switches and controls enable advanced features such as engineering mode or Bluetooth connectivity and adjust key parameters like detection thresholds and light sensitivity, text sensors and metadata. You'll be able to monitor important info like firmware version and Bluetooth MAC address right from your dashboard. ESPHome gives you flexible automation options. For example, you can filter sensor events to avoid flooding your smart home system with constant updates. Default filters are applied, but you can override or extend them as needed. You also have the power to recalibrate your sensor at any time. Activate engineering mode, observe real-time energy values, and tweak your movement and stillness thresholds for each detection gate. Alternatively, just step out of the room and trigger dynamic background correction to let the sensor calibrate itself automatically. For real-time physical outputs, wire up the LD2412's out pin as a GPIO binary sensor perfect for directly triggering alarms, lights, or other devices. Let's summarize what we've covered. LD2412 supports sophisticated presence and motion detection, highly configurable in ESPHome, both via dashboard and automation scripts, multiple sensors, switches, and calibration controls, advanced output options for smart home integration. That's it for our LD2412 and ESPHome primer. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more smart home tutorials and check the description for sample configuration files and additional resources. Happy automating!